Hey guys, welcome back. On today's video I'll show you how I make my plantain chips in air fryer. If you're interested, please keep watching. I'll be making use of 4 unripe plantains. You can also use semi-ripe or ripe plantains. So the first thing I do is to wash the plantains very well. Next I pat dry with a paper towel. Next thing is to remove the skin. Then cut the plantains into thin circles. When you are slicing the plantains, make sure you slice into very thin circles, because if it is not thin, it is not going to dry well and it won't be crunchy. After cutting the plantains into very thin circles, transfer to a bowl and set aside. Make sure that the plantains are not sticking together. Just try and separate them if you see anyone that sticks together. You can also slice the plantains lengthwise into planks just for varieties. The ones that are sliced this way tend to be more crunchy than the other ones. So if you like it very crunchy, then go for these shapes. The next thing is to season the plantains. I added some salt to the both plantains. Then to one I added just onion powder, and to the other one I added paprika. You can choose to add or not add, okay? I also added a tablespoon of oil and I mix everything together. Next, transfer to the air fryer and air fry for between 5 to 6 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. After 6 minutes, just make sure you check it at intervals to make sure that everything is going fine. So this was after 5 minutes and I just opened it to see how it is doing, and it's not yet crunchy at this point, so I air fried for more 3 minutes. And at this point our plantain chips, they're so crunchy at this point. So just transfer to a plate and repeat the process. I have other plantain chips recipe on this channel. I have the one I made with oil. That's the one I fried with oil. You can also check that one out. I'll link it in the description box, okay? But this one is a very healthier option. You can just chill and Netflix with those plantain chips. So this is how to make plantain chips with an air fryer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe and share. And I'll see you in my next one. This is to show you how crunchy the plantain chips are. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one.